Welcome to our unique English learning adventure. In this conversation, join our animated friends, a tiger and a little bird, as they engage in an intriguing dialogue full of questions and surprises.
Good morning, little bird. It is quite rare to see you up this early.
Morning, Mr. Tiger. I wanted to catch the first light. The world looks so beautiful at dawn.
It certainly does. The serenity and quietness are unmatched. I often find myself wandering at this hour, enjoying the calm before the forest awakens.
Yes, and the early morning songs of my fellow birds make it even more special. It's like we're greeting the sun.
I must admit, your melodies are my favorite alarm clock. There's something very soothing about them.
Thank you. And I always feel safer knowing you're around, keeping an eye out. The forest can be a little scary sometimes.
Well, it's good to have friends in high places, or in this case, up in the trees. It's a mutual benefit, I suppose. I watch out for dangers on the ground, and you keep an eye on things from above.
Oh, that's true. It's a perfect arrangement. Let's enjoy this peaceful morning together.
I'd like that. The start of a new day with a friend is always a blessing. It reminds me of the interconnectedness of all things in the forest.
Yes, each of us plays a part in the grand scheme of things. Speaking of which, have you noticed the new flowers blooming by the creek? They're quite a sight.
I have. Their fragrance fills the air. It's another beautiful aspect of mornings like this.
I love how every morning brings something new. Whether it's a flower, a fresh breeze, or a new melody.
Indeed, every day is a new adventure, a new opportunity to explore and appreciate our world.
I couldn't agree more, Mr. Tiger. Well, I should get going. I've got a busy day ahead.
Same here, little friend. Take care, and maybe we'll chat again tomorrow morning.
I'd like that. See you, Mr. Tiger.
Goodbye, little bird. Have a wonderful day.
Hope you have enjoyed the conversation. Now answer the questions based on the conversation to improve your understanding. For most of the questions, the relevant conversation is also shown for context. Let's look at the first question. Which of the options given means the opposite of dawn? The answer is dusk. Question 2. What is the meaning of serenity? Answer: peacefulness. Question 3. What is the alarm clock in this dialogue? Answer: the bird's song. Question 4. What does keeping an eye out mean? Answer: being watchful. Question 5. What does to have friends in high places actually mean? Answer: have friends who are influential or important. Question 6. Which word means the opposite of blessing? Answer: curse. Question 7. What does the grand scheme of things refer to? Answer: natural order of things in the world. Question 8. What is the beautiful aspect of dawn? Answer: everything is fresh. Question 9. Which word means the same as opportunity? Answer: chance. Question 10. What is the nature of the relationship between the tiger and the bird? Answer: cordial. Hope you enjoyed this fun English conversation. Stay tuned for more. You can check out our YouTube channel or visit teachyar.com to find more such fun learning sessions.